My real name is Endurance, but my nickname is Deborah. I work at Goodwill Westview.
My name is Michael. I worked at the Westview location.
My name is Lucia Ortiz. I'm a brand coordinator for Goodwill Industries of Alberta. I've been in Edmonton for like 13 years, and the entire time I've been a loyal customer of Goodwill.
I've been working there for like a year. I'm currently a student at NATE. I'm enrolled in business management.
The people, there's always people around that just are full of laughter and joy and happiness. It makes the day fly by. Spreading the dread, helping out when I can. Goodwill's done good things for me and just paying back, paying it forward.
I love their mission. I love their clothes. I love their sustainability. The entire company is just amazing, and working here is just a dream come true.
I like working at Goodwill because I feel like, I don't know, just the environment is like really good and everybody's super nice and like super helpful. And it's just like a really chill, like nice, comfortable environment.
I volunteer for the shoot because who doesn't like to dress up on a Friday afternoon and get to look like a princess?